Hello, this is Garry Barnes, Creative Hands Home Services. 301-736-0061 is our office number, and admin at creativehands4u.com is our email address. And we are back in Washington, D.C., Aspen Street, Northwest, it's upper Northwest, and back on the 203K rehab that we're doing. And you can come on in and see some of the progress. So as you see, walls and ceilings have been drywall finishing has taken place, and painting has begun. And you can see this throughout the property. All the drywall has been repaired, some of the painting done, and the work continues. Now here we are looking to refinish floors after all of the painting is done. You can see we have our 6-inch trim, our trim cap throughout. Beautiful finish. And all of the wood in the house is still original, which was very important for us, being in historic Washington, D.C. You see back here we have a storage area for some of the tools, materials, equipment. And now we're entering into the kitchen area, where there'll be new cabinets, new countertops. You can see our ceiling floors are being covered with ceramic tile. What we have down now is hardy backup board. And walls are still being repaired. Again, Garry Barnes, Creative Hands Home Services, 301-736-0061. Email address admin at creativehands4u.com. Give us a call for all of your construction needs, 203K program build-outs, and etc. We are licensed contractors in Maryland and DC, and licensed realtors in Maryland and DC. Thank you.